Thank you for joining us on Data Cloud Now, where we bring you the latest in all things data in business and industry. I'm Ryan Green, and I'm joined by Adrien Treuille, head of Streamlit for Snowflake. Adrien, such a pleasure to sit down with you again. You know, last time we connected was at Snowflake Summit when you were on the heels of the Snowflake acquisition. You know, what have been some of your biggest takeaways since this past June?
Well, Streamlit is the best way for Python developers to create data apps to share within your organization and around the world. What's happened is we've seen companies come forward with amazing apps they want to build. For example, JetBlue wants to create an app that allows them to analyze the effects of flight disruptions in real time in Streamlit. Wow. Super cool stuff, and there are a ton of other examples, so we're really excited to bring this to Snowflake customers.
You know, the energy is building here. You know, we just heard in the keynote that Snowflake is announcing a new Streamlit integration. Can you provide some background, and what does this mean for developers?
Well, it's all the power of Streamlit and all the power of Snowflake combined.
Perfect combo.
Yeah, you can create super beautiful, powerful data apps quickly in just a few lines of Python, and you get all the security and performance of Snowflake.
You know, as you look towards the future, you know, I really enjoyed Streamlit's new publication of the 2023 roadmap where you announced some amazing new superpowers. Can you provide a summary for the developers that are watching here, and how will that look for them in the months to come?
Yeah, well, Streamlit's all about letting you do incredibly powerful things in just 1 or 2 lines of code. We're giving people new ways to show off machine learning models, edit data in tables, and create direct connections to data sources around the world.
You know, community is clearly pivotal for Streamlit. How is the Streamlit Community Cloud helping bring people together, and how can the audience get involved?
Well, one of the amazing things about Streamlit is that it's this global community of tens of thousands of developers creating apps being viewed millions of times every month. So that when you start to build your app, there's always tons of examples of stuff you can do. Community Cloud is an amazing place to see how other people are building apps and how they're doing it.
I love it. Everyone's in it together.
Totally.
Adrien, as always, such a pleasure sitting down with you. It's an exciting next chapter for Streamlit.
Thank you so much.
I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. Stay tuned. More conversations coming up next. If you missed any content, no problem. Click below for all the on-demand content here at Snowflake Data Cloud World Tour. See you soon.